packed for 2 months, precisely 9 weeks, to backpack through Southeast Asia. I feel like if someone touched me, I'm just gonna fall over. Yes, I just had to film that 5 different angles. I used the Cotopaxi Alpa 42-liter bag, and it has 3 compartments on the inside, 1 on the outside, and a computer pouch on the back. I'm using packing cubes for all my clothes on the inside to keep it super compact and compressed, and this is what I put in my 3 packing cubes.
Sometimes play chess, and when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. Table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met.
I really want to bring this long waist skirt, but it's gonna be a low priority. We're just gonna see at the end if I can fit it, but yeah. I got a hanging toiletry bag in case there's no counter space or it's dirty, and we're in Singapore right now as I'm editing and we're already using ours. I put everything in here except for my makeup. I also got some reusable makeup wipes so I don't have to bring lots of cotton pads. Every liquid has to be under 100 milliliters and of a total under 1,000 milliliters in order to go through TSA. For makeup, I wanted to keep it light since it's gonna be really humid. If you just wear like 2 things, you're definitely gonna bring less stuff, but just wanted, just in case I break out and don't want to feel super ugly, but I didn't bring anything for a full face. For the medicine kit, which I'm not putting in my bag, my boyfriend is carrying this with him, but I put all the essentials. I did my research on what to bring, lots of anti-diarrhea pills against stomach aches, stuff like that. Tums, what is it called? Pepto-Bismol? Pepto-Bismol, sunscreen, anti-itch cream, ibuprofen, melatonin. Do your research and do what you find that you need. I brought a packable jacket and a packable backpack, which actually has already come in handy. It's very light, and as you can see, it literally packs into a square. And I have hangers, so in case I want to put one of these carabiners on my outside of my backpack that has hooks. Brought socks and undergarments that I don't want to show on camera. As for shoes, I brought 2 shoes, Teva sandals, which I'm not a fan of sandals, but I will bring them for water things, and then also my running shoes. And also I'm wearing New Balances, which I find the most comfy that I'm wearing throughout the airport and daily. For electronics, I brought my 2 cameras, chargers, and this adapter that you have to bring. All my SD cards, and I am bringing my laptop and such because I'm going to be editing. For accessories, 1 hat, 2 sunglasses, and my prescription glasses. The laptop does add weight, but I do need to bring it, unfortunately. Miscellaneous things, this waterproof case I'm gonna put my phone and wallet in when we go into the water. Air tags, portable charger. That was everything for my big bag, and I'm actually not bringing a backpack. I showed you that portable backpack, but I'm not gonna have something in front of me just because I'm stubborn, and I was like, no, I can fit everything in the one backpack, and I don't want to carry extra stuff. What I'm carrying in front is just going to be this bag, and it just wraps around like crossbody. This is from Lululemon, a 2-liter bag, and it opens up here, and there's a pocket in here. So this is what I'm gonna put inside. So in this back one, which is the one closest to me, I thought I'd just keep my passport in here because it's the most private. Call me extra, but I got this case for it just because I also wanted to put an air tag on this, because honestly, even if I forgot something, it doesn't matter, it can be replaced. Literally the one thing I need to just go to the other countries is my passport and ID. And so when this opens up, you have your passport attached here. There's a little pen and my COVID vaccination card, as well as my 2 visas that you need for Vietnam and Cambodia. So I have those here. And inside here, like it's not gonna fall out, is an air tag. Here it is. And I just like slipped it in here. And then in here, what I really like about this bag, and I didn't even know when I ordered it, is that it has this like string attached to it. And what I've attached to that, my wallet. Like, can you imagine someone comes up and is trying to like pickpocket me, and then they're like, oh. And I'm like, I'll take that back. I don't think that's gonna happen, hopefully. That's the scenario that I've drawn out for myself. So apart from this being attached, there's also like this Lululemon tag, which I don't know if this is the purpose, but I've also attached an air tag to here, just because this bag is literally gonna have like my phone, my wallet, my passport, everything important. So double security. An air tag, the noise canceling earplugs, and they're little earplugs that you can just, yeah, AirPods. I know, pink. I'm just a girl, okay? And obviously they just open up like that. And then it has like a little net. Okay, this is like, it looks messy, but it's like organized chaos. Just gonna carry some Aquaphor and hand sanitizer. And then in the main compartment, my portable charger, which I need to add cable to it, then my phone. So yeah, I'm really happy with the size of this. Really, it fits a lot more than you think. And I'm just gonna be carrying this on my chest day to day and throughout the airport. And I just like that it's gonna be literally attached to me. It's not coming off. I'll probably be traveling with my GoPro in this if I can fit it, slash if I think I'm gonna be filming throughout the travel day. But if not, I'll just put it in my tech pouch. It has a loop around the zipper, so I'm gonna attach one of these TSA approved locks right here, and then main compartment. This is just gonna be carry-on, so I'm not checking it in, but if we leave it at like hostels or something like that, I just want to be extra safe.